Please activate the subtitles.
This video is going to be very quick. Today I'm going to talk about the TH sounds. Yes, the TH has two different sounds. And today we're going to talk about these sounds. But before we start, remember that if you subscribe to the channel, you'll be given access to the PDF files with extra exercises and homework based on my videos. So please subscribe. Let's get started. So the TH has two different sounds, the voiced sound and the unvoiced sound. But it's really important to pronounce these sounds correctly because depending on the word, you have to sound the TH in a different way. I'm going to give you two examples. For example, in the word thank you, the TH is voiceless. And in the word there, the TH is voiced. But for the voiced, you have to use your vocal cords and you have to produce a sound like and vibrate the air. So for this sound, you need to vibrate the air with your voice. There, that, they, those.
Hey Roger, repeat that sound please. It's so sexy.
Yes, I know.
With the voiceless TH, you don't need to use your voice. No, you just have to blow some air. You know, like this. Thank you. Thank you. So you don't need to use your voice. You just have to blow some air. But there is one thing that is similar between these two sounds. For both of them, you need to use your tongue touching the upper teeth, like this. If you don't believe me, I've selected here some people using this TH sound in movies, so check it out.
Beneath me! Thank you. Nice bad thing. Bad.
I think is the most important issue
With me.
Thank you.
They're Americans. It isn't. You look just like someone I went to high school with. What do you say to that? A month. For nothing.
So it's really important to pronounce these things correctly. So I've come up with a method that consists in two different steps for you to pronounce the TH sound or the TH sounds perfectly and properly from now on. The first step, you just need to get a list. I'm going to provide you with a list, okay, so you can download this list. If you're a subscriber, download this list here. And you just have to read this list many times. This list is divided into two categories, voiced sound and voiceless sound. So you just have to read these words many times, trying to pronounce everything correctly and properly. For the moment, just listen to me and repeat.
Sen. Sen. Think. Think. Thank. Sank. Thorn. Thorn. Thousand. Thousand. Thief. Thief. Math. Math. Teeth. Teeth. Through. Through. Thorough. Thorough. Thought. Thought. Though. Though. There. There. That. That. They. They. Weather. Weather. Clothes. Clothes. Feather. Feather. Father. Father. Mother. Mother. Them. Them. Those. Those. This. This. these, brother, brother.
Okay, now the second step, and I think it's the most important one, is
Roger, what's the second step?
okay, now the second step, and I think it's the most important one, is that you need to get these words that you were repeating and practicing so much. But now you have to come up with sentences using them, because if you just practice by repeating them many times, you're going to pronounce them perfectly, but whenever you have to speak or say a sentence that these words are in it, whenever you have to say a sentence with these words, with the TH sound, in a longer sentence, you're going to find it hard, and then you're going to pronounce it in the wrong way. So you need to put these words that you're pronouncing perfectly, because you've repeated many times, into a context. So you need to come up with longer sentences. For the moment, just listen to me and repeat. But after you do that, please come up with your own sentences.
I think they are very thin. I think they're very thin. My brother, my mother, and my father are there. My brother, my mother, and my father are there. This math test is tough. This math test is tough. I think I had thought of thinking of thanking you. I think I had thought of thinking of thanking you. Math is tough. It can be understood through tough, thorough thought, though. Tough, thorough thought, though. Math is tough. It can be understood through tough, thorough thought, though.
Now I'm going to show you a conversation that I've had with my students using many words with the TH sound. The script for this conversation is going to be in the PDF file that is available for subscribers, so please subscribe and download the PDF file for this class.
Hey man, what's up?
Oh, nothing much. Oh, I think I thought I had thought of thinking of thanking you.
You think you thought you had thought of thinking of thanking me?
Yeah, I think I thought I had thought of thinking of thanking you, teacher.
You think you thought you had thought of thinking of thanking me, but what do you think you thought you had thought of thinking of thanking me for?
I think I thought I had thought of thinking of thanking you for teaching me math throughout the night.
Oh, for teaching you math throughout the night. Oh yeah, I remember that. It was a crazy night.
Mm-hmm. I remember. So thank you very much for teaching me math throughout the night.
Math is tough. It can be understood through tough, thorough thought, though.
Through tough, thorough thought, though. Yeah.
Yeah. Why are you laughing?
I'm not laughing.
I thought you were laughing.
Yes, I was laughing. Well, anyway, Roger, thank you.
You're welcome.
Maybe we can study math tonight again.
Oh, no, I can't. Well, I have to go now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I've got to brush my teeth.
What a coincidence. I'm going to brush my teeth, too. Maybe we can brush our teeth together.
Brush our teeth together.
Mm-hmm. Brush our teeth together.
Oh man, thank you very much. So, bye-bye. See you later.
See you later. No problem.
Well, thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, like our page on Facebook, follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. Remember that I'm posting videos on Instagram throughout the week, so you can have contact with English all the time. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you tonight in my wild dreams.